Welcome to Bexton. We are a professional geomembrane manufacturer with products sold all over the world. Our HDPE Geomembrane adopts a 3-layer, co-extrusion blown film production line. Our raw material is high-density polyethylene, HDPE, particles, imported raw materials, 100% new material. First, the HDPE granules are fed into the extruder. Then, the molten HDPE is forced through a circular die to form a tubular film. The film is inflated, cooled, and then flattened by a press roller to achieve the desired thickness and texture. This forms a uniform geomembrane. Throughout the process, strict quality control measures ensure that the geomembrane meets industry standards. After passing the quality inspection, the geomembrane is cut to the right size, rolled and packaged for shipment. Our geomembranes are widely used in applications such as pond liners, mining liners, landfill liners, and other containment systems.